Hello friend, I'm Nancy from China. We are manufacturers for medical products and other healthcare products. Now, this is our walking aids. It is mainly for the older persons. We have walking aids with wheels or without wheels, and it is adjusted by this button. And then this is our crutch, lightweight crutch. It is soft TPR material and high quality material. And this is our 4 legs walking stick. They are also adjusted by this button. The handle can be offset handle or T-type handle. Now, this is our walking stick with seat. This is our new design walking stick with seat. The seat is soft. And this one, the seat is a little soft. It is more soft. We also have wooden crutch. These are our best sales product to Amazon online sales market. Post-operative. This is our best sales one. And this is neck support series. This is back brace. This and this one are the most ones on online sales market. Maternity belt, knee brace, ankle brace. Oh, that's all.